Hello everyone! So ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-screen record sa Windows 11 na laptop nyo without installing any extra app. And to do that, ganito lang. Just have to press the Windows, Alt, and the R keys at the same time. And as you can see, may nag-pop up na button na ganito. Nagra-run na yung timer niya, which indicates na nagre-record na yung screen mo. If you only want the video without the audio, you can turn this off. Pero kung gusto mong i-record din yung audio mo, you can turn it on. And after recording, you can just click this button and directly go to your files. Kasi automatic na nakasave na yun dun. See, may nag-pop up na
diba, you can hear it with my voice.
Nagra-run na yung timer niya, which indicates na
And also, hindi nyo nakikita yung pop-up button dito. Sunod lang kadali.
If you only want the video without the audio, you can turn.
That's it. Now you know how to screen record easily on your Windows 11 without installing anything.